You got the starter set. Yeah, I don't care. I was going to record this outside, but it's been raining for about 3 days already. It's like straight. I'm not even joking. Like, it's so rainy out. And also, your troublesome truck now. Oh, well, the troublesome gondola. Yeah, your cause trouble. See, you just derailed this whole entire train. No, I didn't. That was you. No, it wasn't. He fixed. I highly recommend everyone to buy this set. This is amazing. I'm pretty sure they're only at Target because I've been to a lot of stores looking for this, and I only found one set at Target. And I only found powertrains on Amazon, eBay, and Target. That's like pretty much the only 3 places you can get powertrains 2.0. Isn't that powertrains altogether? Yeah, I haven't seen powertrains this like the normal. Hold on, sucks. I haven't seen the normal original powertrains 1.0 anywhere. So. You got a crane, you got a truck, you got this, and these two, and the oval for $20. Yeah, so I think that's an amazing deal. And then you got this for $20, and then these all for $20 each. Yeah, a train by itself for $28. All these 4 train cars for $20, so it's pretty much 20, 40, and 40, 50, $60 right in front of my face. Sorry, I'm not that good at multiplication. I'm not good at math altogether. This cost. What is going on with my screen? It's all orange. Ugh. Hold on. It's here. I'm thinking of getting rid. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Don't look. Yay! It works. Now I can get going now. Hold on, peoples. I always record my videos in halves, so this is gonna be the end of this half.